Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in an editor that supports annotations. Adobe Reader, Preview, or Edge work well. Once open, select the sticky note or comment tool. Many apps use N or a right-click menu. Click the page where the idea belongs to drop a pin. This anchors the note. Make sure the layer isn't locked, and set your default author or color now, because consistent metadata helps later when you search or filter notes across pages. Now write the note content with purpose. A short action, question, or reference. You can add headings, bullets, or a timestamp to make retrieval faster. Once text is in, format font size and color. Use color coding to mark priority or type, for example, red for urgent. If your app allows, attach the note to highlighted text or adjust opacity so it doesn't obscure content. Once done, reposition the pin precisely and test that the note opens cleanly on click. To finish, save the PDF so your sticky notes embed into the file. Use Save or Save as to avoid losing edits. If you need to share with others who lack annotation tools, export or flatten the notes into the document. Make sure recipients can view comments by testing in their reader. If a note goes missing, first enable the annotations layer or comments pane. Then reopen the file and check permissions. Sometimes read-only mode or locked layers prevent notes from showing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.